The most advanced body-worn camera will also need a new way of storing, reviewing, and managing evidence in order to meet the challenges of the next generation of policing. That's why we're also launching Argus Data Vault, or ADV. Argus Data Vault is an innovative web-based video evidence management solution that is designed to make it easier for law enforcement officers and administrators alike to manage and share video evidence. ADV is packed with a wide range of features that will help officers do their job more efficiently. With ADV, officers can easily classify evidence, share evidence internally with other officers or any supervisors, as well as share evidence externally with any prosecutors or neighboring agencies as needed. And don't worry about spending hours redacting video evidence files. Our new AI-based facial redaction process enables users to press one button to quickly identify any faces and automatically create redaction objects that track each face individually. In addition to these key features, Argus Data Vault includes a number of other tools and capabilities that will make life easier for agency administrators. For example, you can use ADV to see the location of each body-worn camera on a live map or view live footage from any body-worn camera that is actively recording. Administrators will also have full control over every aspect of their Argus fleet, including device assignments, user access permissions, classification and retention policy management, and much more. One of the most exciting aspects of ADV is its ability to integrate with Argus Insight, the companion mobile app for Argus body-worn cameras. As Kiefer mentioned a few moments ago, officers will be able to easily classify and annotate their recorded evidence files from their mobile devices while in the field, streamlining the entire review process. Overall, Argus Data Vault is an incredibly powerful and flexible solution that will help law enforcement agencies of all sizes work more efficiently and effectively. Whether you need a local evidence management system or you want a fully cloud-hosted solution, we are confident that it will become an indispensable tool for any agency working towards enhancing transparency, accountability, and public trust.